What's up guys, Amar here, and in today's video I'm going to show you and give you for free the answer to how to make money with short reports. Yes, in the following you will learn how to profit from short PDF reports. So quickly before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will be very glad actually if you like the video and activate the notifications. So in this report here that you will be able to download for free along with all the graphics that you can see here on this page, you will learn the secret method to make money from these short PDF reports. The link to download this report is available on the description of this video below, and you'll be able to take a look actually at what you will be getting, and then you'll be able to choose to put your email address here or use the Warrior Plus button to download your report and the graphics. So inside the report I'm breaking things down with lots of step-by-step directions, including number one, how to choose a highly profitable market, and that's very important. How to come up with the perfect idea for a report, and then how to write pages of high demand content. How to package, price, and position your small or short report. How to create a small report mini sales letter, and how to set up a website to sell your small or your short reports. The good thing here is that I'm providing actually the possibility of having a squeeze page or a capture page to use with the report. If you decide to take the upgrade, you will be getting this high converting squeeze page. You will be getting as well this download page, and you will get your affiliate links embedded into the PDF report. We are using here 4 offers that will make us earn commissions. You can see the offers in question below here. These are the 4 offers that will make us commissions, and you will get also lots of graphics and banners to promote, and of course it will be covered by a master resale rights license. So the price is ridiculous, but I will be selling only a limited number of copies at this price, and then it will go up. So if you decide to take the upgrade, actually you will be given materials to go through all these steps here, including the mini site that you'll be using to sell or to give away the report, to build your email list. Everything, all the points that are mentioned here, you will get a big help with this. Now the other option is that if you decide to become an affiliate and promote this offer here, you will get a 100% commission. If you promote this, the payment, the price will go straight to your account. If any of your customers takes the upgrade, you will make 100% commission. And of course, if you decide to promote the hot short reports, you will be given all the materials that you need to promote, like banners, popular sizes. We have also an email or a solo ad at the bottom here. So everything that you need to promote and make 100% commission is available, and you can start right now. So I highly recommend that you download this report. It is full of great value, and I recommend that you read it carefully because it can really help you in your online business. So guys, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment or question down below. I will come back personally to answer or see what we can do together. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be very glad to see you with us. And also hit the like button, and I will see you on the next video.